We had a fantastic time, didn't we, Oliver?
Did you enjoy it, Ollie?
We particularly liked the sausages, didn't we?
Did you like it?
Marvellous. What was your favourite thing about it?
I don't know.
About the teapot, right?
I don't know.
Yes, that's lovely.
So you like the teapot story?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yes.
Yeah, and did you like taking part? Because you joined in, didn't you?
Yeah, we both joined
You did. You both joined in.
Made this
Oh, what's that?
royal thingy.
What did you like about the show?
Everything.
Everything. Absolutely everything, and I mean everything.
You mean everything.
I
Are you
like
sure?
the bad bit. I like the singing.
Yeah. Which was your favourite story? You must have had a favourite.
The royal thingy.
There was a cheeky,
Yeah,
cheeky.
royal thing. I like the
I
royal
was thinking, oh, we got someone who's singing the Cheeky Man song over here.
Like that bit.
Oh, we have another royal thingy. Oh, that's a beautiful thingy. Well done for making that. Can you say anything more about what you liked about the show? Yeah?
I like being a doggy.
You like being a doggy? You took part in the show? Fantastic. Did you all like taking part in the show too?
Yeah, I like sticking my nose on the water. Like the lake. It was really fun.
Lots of sound effects.
What a musical audience we've had. Well, thank you ever so much for coming along, folks. We hope to see you again. Goodbye!